Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook experience and stop those constant event update notifications on your page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable event updates notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all based on the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, it's time to access your page settings. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Select Settings from this list. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of notification types that you can manage. Find the option labeled Events and click on it. Here, you'll see all the notification settings related to events. Look for the section called Changes and Updates. This is where Facebook sends you notifications about any changes or updates to events on your page. To stop receiving these, simply toggle the switch to turn them off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled event update notifications for your Facebook page. No more unwanted pings or distractions, just the updates you care about. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might need a little Facebook peace and quiet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.